We're going to have a lead car. Michael from the Porsche Club, he's going to be going through the course, showing you guys the line. Just pay attention to everything pretty much.
Is there anyone from the Viper Club that could lead instead?
Yeah,
The gas station's over there.
maybe to the gas station in about an hour. But so yeah, if all the advanced guys could go to their cars. But any questions, guys?
Yeah, where do we pass? What are the passing zones?
Okay, well, we're going to explain that basically in the car. Yeah. Between 3 and 4.
There's 3, 4, the back straight,
Back straight.
And
here,
Up here?
and the front straight.
when you really want to show off here.
Paper
right.
says passing between 1 and 2 on the paper.
I didn't write the paper.
Right here. Over here, one.
I don't
It's
know.
too short.
That's right, so 3 and 4 is better.
Between corners 3 and 4, the back straight, and
That's
the
what we
front
are
straight.
doing.
And it's always passing on the right.
Between
Put your hand out the
And
window.
passing on the right side.
Yeah, put your hand out the
Guys,
window.
when you're passing, if you are going to be passing, make sure you come off the race line and either stick your hand out the window and motion people by.
They won't pass.
they won't pass you
They won't
until
pass you
until
unless
You want to
you
use
tell
arm signals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or signal? Yeah.
Usually arm works better. Just stick it out the thing.
basically for the beginner guys, just listen to what the experienced guy beside you, because that's the best way you're going to learn. Driver courtesy. We're all here to have fun and eat lunch soon, I hope. We got the chefs over there. They're ready.
But it's a Viper, man. It has to be a Porsche.
It's great, it's sweaty, you know. I had to try to beat a couple people, couldn't, so gotta take it easy.
It was awesome.
Out of control.
Oh, yeah. Good drivers, good drivers. 210.
Oh my God, it's like a furnace.
We got your dragon filet mignon. That's it.
Oh, yeah, that's correct.
Oh, straight away I was hitting about 210, 215.
I'm like, oh yeah, here we go.
So you're telling us to be careful and
Oh, you got to be careful.
what happened to you?
Oh, I was pushing it a little too much. Spun it
Oh no, I was.
right into the wall.
B group, we're gonna start getting ready to go. When?
Just now.
Is everything okay?
Oh yeah, yeah, a little bump. But it's
I was
okay.
right behind you.
It went like this sideways, and all of a sudden then I was backwards. I'm like, okay, don't correct it.
Once again, custom coaches went above and beyond. They always go top notch whenever you're with them. They never skimp on anything. The hamburgers, they had Dad cooking the burgers and the sausages. Awesome day.
We're making business for ourselves.
He's on TV or something.
Yeah, and you got one car to fix.
And we got one car to fix.